I made $10,000 day trading last week, and this is my exact plan going into this week and what I'm going to focus on. We're entering into the heart of earnings season where companies are, of course, reporting quarterly earnings, and that causes the price of that stock to gap overnight because most companies report earnings either before the market open or after the market open, and those gaps lead to opportunities for me. My primary goal for this week is to trade with a lot more aggressiveness, especially if I see a high conviction setup, and to ultimately stick to my plan. This past Friday, I finished with $5,600. However, I had a trade in the morning where I literally drew up the plan for that stock in the pre-market. I said exactly what I should do, and then I ended up breaking that plan, and because of that, I lost money. If I had literally executed exactly what I drew up in the pre-market, I could have had like a $7,000 day. So my goal is to create that plan in the pre-market, stick to it, and when the setups do come to me, to trade with conviction and aggressiveness and really size up on those setups. This week should be interesting, so if you're going to be trading during this earnings season, let me know in the comments and let me know how you're feeling for this upcoming week.